Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. I'm going to talk a little bit about the post office, but first, please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments. I do love to hear from you. First of all, I want to say thank you for all your support from this morning's video. If y'all watched the morning's video, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to harp on it anymore. It's in the past, but I just want to tell everyone thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. And no, I'm not going anywhere. I also want to tell you, next Saturday's money video, I've got a lot to cover. I've got all my notes prepared for it. I just got to make the video. Y'all don't want to miss this one. It's going to be a big one. Y'all need to get a cup of coffee or a sandwich or something because it may take a while. But please don't miss it. Y'all, the proposal that Nancy Pelosi got passed yesterday in the House, it still needs to go to the Senate and then to the President before it becomes a bill. Well, the House got it passed, but now it's got to go to the Senate, and the Senate is not going to pass it. Mooch McConnell has already said the post office will be okay. He's not worried about them, so it looks like he hates the post office just as much as he hates us. So y'all don't feel left out in the cold there. Y'all, thank you again for your support. In the description box below, you'll see the link for the stun guns if you want a stun gun or anything else that's on that site. I've got more items there now. Y'all just know I love you all. You are my extended family, and I depend on you for your support, and you showed it this morning. Thank you all so much. I love you all. Until tomorrow or tonight, whichever comes first. Well, we know what's going to come first. Tonight's going to come first. But, oh, and another thing. I don't think y'all have ever seen me in a t-shirt. I just got home from church, and I just had to get out of those church clothes and get comfortable. I'm sorry about the t-shirt. Y'all, I do love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.